Alright, so we're going to be using Bitcoin chart on the TradingView platform. And don't worry, because we can use this strategy on any other pair as well. For demonstration purposes, we'll be focusing on the 15-minute time frame. Now, to get a simple yet powerful buy-sell indicator strategy, even for beginner traders to make money trading online, let's add our best money-making indicator, which is not only easy but also simple to use on any chart. You can do this by heading to the indicator section at the top of the TradingView platform, clicking on it, and then typing 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on it and add it to your chart. This indicator uses parabolic SAR along with the 200 EMA to determine long and short trades. Working with an easy buy-sell indicator is a breeze. We simply take short signals when we are in a downtrend, meaning the signal candle is below the 200 EMA line. This ensures that we only trade in the direction of the market trend. And on the flip side, we only take long signals in an uptrend market, meaning the signal candle is above the 200 EMA line. But before we dive into using this strategy, we need to make a few adjustments to the settings parameters to get better results and make more money trading. So head to the Inputs tab and change the MA fast length from 7 to 100. Then leave the mid MA length as a default value because we won't be using this moving average. After that, change the MA slow length from 200 to 300. Then change the parabolic SAR start parameter to 0.002. Leave the other parameters to at their default values. Next, head to the style section and disable the exit options for short and long signals. We will also disable the next 4 plot options. To make the plot background more visible, increase its opacity. Now that we're done with the settings, you'll see that the signals are much more better and the trend detection is more precise. However, we still sometimes get low potential signals and they should be filtered out somehow. I'll tell you how. But first, let's subscribe to the TradeGenius channel to get access to hundreds of great trading content. Now let's head back to the indicators section again and add the ADX multi-time frame indicator to the chart. The ADX is a lagging trend detection indicator that indicates the strength of trends, which will help us filter out low potential signals. Now to precisely filter out these fake signals, let's head over to the ADX indicator settings. From the input section, we'll change the ADX limit to 21. Then we need to adjust the time frame to 1 or 2 time frames higher than the chart's time frame. Since we're currently working with a 15-minute time frame on the chart, I'm going to choose a 1-hour time frame for the ADX indicator. Next, enable the Show Background Color Different Time Frame option. This will help us visualize the different time frames more clearly. After that, head to the Style tab and change the ADX current to columns. This will provide a clear visual representation of the data. Then, change the ADX different time frame to a line and make the color more visible. Then, that way, it'll stand out, making it easier for us to spot significant changes in the market. And that's all there is to it from the ADX settings. By adjusting these parameters, you'll be better equipped to filter out those fake signals and focus on the ones that really matter. This will help improve your trading strategy and increase your chances of making profitable trades. Now, let's talk about how you can use these powerful tools together to make informed trading decisions and boost your profits. When you see that the ribbon on the chart is green and there's a long signal, it's time to check whether the signal candle's close price is above the green ribbon. If it is, that's a promising sign. Go ahead and draw a vertical line on the signal candle to make this potential entry point, but hold your horses. Before you jump in, let's take a closer look at the ADX indicator to get some additional confirmation or maybe even reconsider the signal. So if the ADX histogram's corresponding bar is green and the line is white, that's a positive sign that supports the long signal we've identified on the chart. Now, with both indicators showing promising signs, it's time to take action. You can open a buy position at the closing price of the signal candle. To manage your risk, set the stop loss slightly below the recent market swing low or just a bit below the ribbon. By doing this, you'll protect yourself in case things don't go as planned. When setting your target, use a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 to find a good balance between risk and potential profit. For sell trades, the process is similar but in reverse. Look for a red ribbon on the chart and a short signal, making sure the signal candle's close price is below the red ribbon. Then check the ADX histogram's corresponding bar to see if it's green with a white line. If so, consider opening a sell position at the signal candle's close price. And set your stop loss slightly above the recent market swing high or just above the ribbon. Use the same risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 to set your target price. Taking a closer look at these indicators and signals, you can see how they work together to help you make more informed trading decisions. Let's examine the long signal that appeared before the sell signal we previously discussed. In this case, you'll notice that the signal candle is below the ribbon. Because of this, we won't take the trade. Why? By not taking this trade, we effectively filter out a potential losing trade. This is what makes this strategy so great. It consistently provides high-quality signals that align with the market's trend direction. As you continue to use and gain experience with this strategy, you'll begin to appreciate how valuable it can be in your trading journey. It helps you identify and capitalize on profitable opportunities while minimizing risk of entering trades that could potentially lead to losses.